Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we are talking all about video marketing foundations, and it all starts with our foundations. A good video helps you to entertain as well accomplish the 3 transfers that are key to booking new clients. Number 1 is the transfer of trust. Number 2 is the transfer of energy. And number 3 is the transfer of clarity. Today's clients are smart. They want to know who they're booking with and buying from. They also want to have their problem solved, get their hair exactly how they want it, and be entertained too. More and more, they're going to look for salons that have videos. And one of the biggest mistakes we make as business owners is we get too close and fall in love with our own services, our own products, our own salons, and we forget what it's like for our ideal clients. It's important to treat our clients as we want to be treated. So it's also important to think about their perspective. Try to always be taking a step back and putting yourself in their shoes. And people are more likely to book when they know, like, and trust you. So by now, I hope you're thinking, okay, I get it. I need to start making videos as soon as possible. But how do I make videos that will do all that? And it all starts with persuasive writing. You have to be able to communicate the right message to the right person in the right way at the right time. And we're going to talk about how to gain ultimate clarity so your audience knows who you are, what you do, and why they should choose you. And it's also important to be real, to be human. In today's marketing, authenticity is so important. People love to see you as real, not just stock photos or overly produced videos, which is good for you because it makes things a lot easier. Even if you're not a video person, I'm going to challenge you to be creative. Show your personality, your quirks, and what makes you fun and interesting. And if you're an introvert like me, or you don't really like posting on social media, that's okay. I promise it will get easier each time you do it, and you will be glad that you did it. Remember, I think you're awesome. Your happy clients think you're awesome. And you'd be doing a disservice to your community if more people don't find out what you have to offer. So finally, in order to create great videos, we need to be strategic. You don't have to have expensive equipment or hire a videographer, but you can if you want to. But you do want to do the best you can so people actually watch the majority of your videos. So next, we're going to be talking all about the setup and exactly how to get started. So let's keep going. I'm going to see you in the next video.